Hello, hello, hello! Welcome back to Cebu. This is Kyler from Kyler Cortez and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kyler. Hi! So today we're gonna be doing what's in my bag, and this is my current bag today. So if you want to see what's inside it, don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed the video. So without further ado, let's get started. Yo, a little disclaimer, medyo mahangin kasi dito sa school. So my bag is basically this one. I have one strap. It's like a, ano tawag na? Funny pack. Hindi siya funny pack, but basta it's big. So that one, that's big. And then I got one strap again with balik. I have one.
2, 3, 4, 5 compartments. 1 here, 2, 3, the back, 4, and last one 5. Here, so let's start on with the first.
Okay ba niya ang angle? First compartment, which is this one. So in this compartment, as you can see, gamay na dyan siya. So I have my best friend. So this is the best friend. I'm sorry. A company. Or coming with me. Backdrop ba niya sa theater? So, so mga ni siya guys, Carmax ang ako ang best friend kay bahala ng Hogarth, di lang dry ang atong lips. Next is the charger, the Canon D7X charger and with the wire and all. And next is the spray that cleans my camera. Lastly, for this apartment, for this compartment, my earphones. So that's the first part. Next is this compartment, semi bigger turbo. So first thing is my power bank. This is from Romos with 10,000. Ano tawag na dahil? Kanang mama.
Ma? MA?
I'm AH. Basta 10,000 ma. I don't know. Basta 10,000 ang capacity.
Sorry, but
And next is so I would like to shout out to Charan Alegres for giving me this cute purse tawag. Meron. And then my clearance. And my cell phone. This is my phone.
my home.
I have a sticker of Kirk's. Next is I have 2 ball pens since I'm a student, so I need to have a ball pen. Ball pens. Kay kanya akong kuyong diri, pakita sa diri.
I can just go to the room and borrow one because
Okay.
I'm lazy to buy it. My own ball pen.
So I have this My Gel 0.5 and Finetech 0.3. So much siya. And my pocket Wi-Fi because hindi pa yun na open line yung phone ko. So I need to have this para may data naman ako kasi poor me, if wala akong data, walang connection, walang love life.
Walang love.
This para may data naman ako kasi poor me,
If wala akong data, walang connection, walang love life.
So to continue with, I have my adapter sa aking charger if I want to charge my power bank pag nalubat na siya. And then, yes, mauna na siya ang akwang sulod sa akwang bag. Ay, ano naman ko? Sulod sa second compartment. Next is the third compartment, which is the biggest of all. So let us open it. So, let's continue. Inside the bigger compartment, perfume, which is Victoria's Secret mini size or travel size in the scent of temptation. Is the case of my camera. I bought this Japan Homes for 66. 88 peso.
Pesos.
Di mo ko kalito US. 88 pesos. Pesos. And inside the bigger compartment is my meron pang little na lalagyan. So inside is my journal. So I bought this sa National Bookstore. Dito ko nilalagay yung aking schedule.
Oh my God.
So, Sponsored by Lucky Star Potato Taste. So, and then next is my receipt sa bayarin. So that's that for my fourth compartment. And then
Let's move on to this compartment. Inside, I didn't place my money here, so that's that. Whatever we put here. And then this is for water, since I do not bring water, or I have a water jug, but it's too big, it doesn't fit here, so wala muna. And lastly is this one from this compartment. So as you can see inside is wala naman. So half of it.
So that's that, guys. Thank you all for watching, and I know nga short lang tong video na to, and yun na yung laman ng bag ko. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please follow Theory 5 on our Instagram and my Instagram account, Classic Hyler. I will put the links down below. So thank you all for watching. That's that, and God bless. Bye-bye.